Deep within this natural haven lies Killora Bay, a seasonal escape designed for families and friends. Nestled amidst the trees, respecting the delicate environment, the house reveals itself gradually. Built with local, fire-resistant materials, the exterior blends seamlessly with its surroundings, a silhouette against the vibrant green. Stepping into the house, we are greeted by a central hub, a place to shed coats, stow away surfboards, and let the sand settle. The living space flows seamlessly into the kitchen, both designed to capture the breathtaking views of the bay through the trees. Built-in joinery creates cozy rooms within rooms, perfect for quiet moments of reading, games, and conversation. Sleeping areas offer privacy and ventilation, with clever use of shutters and skylights. Stepping into the bathrooms, we find ourselves immersed in the beauty of nature, the forest canopy becoming the ceiling. As night falls, Killora Bay transforms into a haven for families and friends, a place to reconnect with nature and create lasting memories under the vast Tasmanian sky. Killora Bay, a seasonal sanctuary where architecture and nature coexist in perfect harmony.